Security guard charged with murder after seeing the body cam video.
Get the fuck on your back. Come here, bitch. Get the fuck on your stomach, bitch. Don't move. Don't move. You move, I shoot you. Shots fired. Officer needs help.
Shoppers browsing for costumes and spooky decorations are
it's
shocked
about to
when
be
a deadly
good.
shooting erupts in Albuquerque, New Mexico. The fatal encounter is captured by a body cam, but the man wearing it isn't a police officer. He's a security guard assigned to a Spirit Halloween store.
Mama killed somebody. Why? Why?
The following report is based on official police records, and most of the footage has never been seen before until now. Please note that all persons charged with a crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. On October 16, 2025, a 25-year-old armed security guard named Josiah Armijo is keeping watch at his current post, a Spirit Halloween seasonal costume store that seems to greatly require his services.
Armijo to patrol requesting an 82. Got 5 occupants currently stealing from the store at the Spirit off of Carlisle and Indian School. Hey, I caught him concealing it. Hey guys, I need you to leave the store. I need you guys to leave the store. I saw you concealing a shirt, so I need you and your friends to leave. Let's go. Put the hat down, let's go. Put this stuff down. You guys are no longer walking in Spirit, alright? This idiot stuck a shirt in his pants. I kicked them all out.
Josiah handles the situation, not knowing that he's less than an hour away from a much more serious encounter that will change the course of his life. It begins when a customer's appearance attracts the attention of Josiah and store employees.
I asked him if he was good. He's bleeding from his hands.
I know.
He's a crackhead.
I know he is.
I
You
think
gave
he
him
smoked
tissue.
out. He smoked out like.
And see if he wants. I know where he's at. I've been trying to keep an eye on him.
I know. I watched him by the door.
I am. He's tripping, bro.
Josiah moves to a position where he can better watch the man, who authorities will later identify as 41-year-old Chase Beltramo. When Chase heads for the front door with items he hasn't purchased, Josiah breaks into a sprint and a chaotic, violent encounter begins.
Get down.
Get the f on your back.
You could tell he been waiting for this his whole life. His whole life he been waiting to do that. He been waiting.
Come here, Get the f on your stomach, Get the f on your... 82 in the Carlisle! Don't move! Don't move! You don't move, I shoot you!
Oh. Nah.
You move, I shoot you! Get on your back! Get on your
Josiah's body cam falls to the ground and 3 gunshots ring out.
Shots fired! Officer needs help! Shots fired! Call the cops! Hey, code peace, bro. Hey, take it easy, we're code peace. Hey, I'm firing off for you. Back up, bro. You're good, you safe, bro. It's a shot. Get him aid, How are you? Get him aid. I'm good, get him aid. You killed him, bro.
Whoa. Yo, guys, honestly, whoa. I did not think it was really like, damn. He didn't really have to take it that far though. I don't think he had to really take it that far. I feel like as a security guard, you shouldn't be like, I don't know, bro. Like as a security guard, you shouldn't be like these officers, you feel me? Like I get it to take the items back, but if he runs and he starts doing too much, let him go at that point. Like, you know what I'm saying though? Like you didn't sign up for that. You didn't sign, like who would think they're gonna get shot by a guy that works at security at a freaking costume place. Like, you know what I'm saying though? Like, I don't think it was that deep for him to shoot him, you know?
He's gone. Okay.
But then again though, if your life is at harm, take that blick out and, you know, but it's always best to not kill somebody, y'all.
Josiah reattaches his body cam, but he's a long way from processing what just happened.
He's gonna help. Son of a. Call 911. Son. Who the f is my backup? You stay down right here. Hey, get the face, bro. Where's some bad shit? Okay. Relax. Hey, breathe. You shot, you hurt, or you ain't shit? He's shots hurt. Shots hurt.
Nah, that's fucked up.
Landon has shot someone!
Where'd you shot at?
I had to, bro. I had to.
Determining the truth of that statement will be a job for the Albuquerque police.
Nah, he ain't want to shoot him for real. Dang, he just made me sad as hell, y'all. He didn't want to shoot him for real, bro. That boy real life sobbed and tearing up, bro. He didn't want to do it. He had to. That's fucked up, bro.
Department, who are rushing to the scene. In the meantime, Josiah makes another call.
Call mom.
Sit down. All right. There you go. Have a seat, bro. Have a seat. There you go. Go. It's all right, buddy.
Mama killed somebody. I had to shoot him. I had to. Carlisle. He tried robbing and he was fighting me. He was reaching for my stuff. I had to.
You hear me? You know where you shot him at?
Point blank, bro. Twice.
Point blank where? In the face?
Chest.
Right there.
Where we're trained to do. Where we're trained.
Did you shoot him with a gun?
Yeah, I had to.
Josiah's direct employer is New Mexico Security Services, and soon his co-worker arrives and jumps into action.
Help him!
Hold up. That's the helper? Hold on, guys. That's the helper?
And jumps into action.
That boy was on break. You could look at him. He was... Yo, that boy, when he was talking about back, that boy eating a donut.
Help him!
Come on. Did he attack you?
Huh?
Did he attack you?
We were throwing blows.
Yeah.
I had to.
What started the situation?
Stealing them from the store.
Shoplifting. You tried to stop the shoplifting.
As witnesses try to get the story from Josiah, the first cops arrive.
You're the one that shot? Okay. Take a breath.
I'm sorry. Why?
Josiah is relieved of his body cam, which now records him being placed in handcuffs.
Put you on. Give me the thing for now, okay? Can you put... Thank you.
Yeah, it's real.
Did you record what happened? Did it record to the footage? Yeah?
It should have the whole situation.
You have a way of...
I need to call my lawyer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. We're gonna go in the back of the car, okay?
If there's any way to get that, to view it, we'd like to.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Josiah's body cam will give investigators a clear view of the incident. And soon, additional footage will show the deadly confrontation from a very different perspective.
Do you need an ambulance to check on you? What's wrong with you?
I feel like passing out.
You feel like going to pass out? Okay, roll your windows down.
So you were fighting this guy. I don't need too much details. There's more injuries for yourself. But
I don't know.
okay.
This happened so quick.
All right. But you said he hit you.
Well, he ran out. He pushed the manager, assistant manager up there. So I came out running.
But you weren't stabbed or anything? No.
No.
Okay.
I tried macing him with OC spray. He started grabbing stuff, so I pulled out my gun and...
Okay. And you don't have to tell me any of that stuff.
Medics advise Josiah to keep his breathing calm and controlled, which may be easier said than done.
He's doing on TikTok.
As it turns out, that may be the least of Josiah's worries. Despite the efforts of first responders, Chase Beltramo dies in the parking lot from a gunshot wound to the upper torso.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I need you. Forgive me.
Gotta pray.
The investigation stretches into the night, and as homicide detectives prepare to speak with Josiah, Spirit Halloween representatives have to decide on their next step.
So corporate's directed us to basically stay closed indefinitely.
Indefinitely? Why? They don't have to be indefinite.
You think this store could be open tomorrow?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. We need our Halloween stuff.
Exactly.
At the station, Josiah tries to get a sense of where this investigation might be going.
All right.
Did you see the footage of this one?
Yeah, I saw the footage of this one.
Was it like clear or what?
Yeah, like the quality was really good of the video.
What are your thoughts? Because
I can't say my thoughts.
Investigators will have to use witness statements and footage to make their determinations because Josiah has little to say about the incident.
Just you guys record?
We record every incident that we get into.
Okay, good. That's it. I've always found it helpful, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
It falls to your benefit all the time, from my point of view.
It does.
Would you like to talk to us about the evening, this event tonight?
I will, but I have an attorney because we have right to bear.
Okay.
So, but I don't know their number. So anytime they said if we get in a shooting to call them, and they'll help us through the process.
Josiah is referring to a special liability policy he purchased that offers members legal aid if they're involved in a self-defense incident. The detectives agree to help put him in contact with one of the company's lawyers.
I'm an attorney in Colorado with the Right to Bear Network, and from what I hear right now, this is an incident that may or may not be covered by Right to Bear, depending on what the charges are, the outcome, and some additional investigation.
Is your client willing to answer questions with your presence? How would you like this to proceed?
The lawyer explains that Josiah cannot be his client because he's from out of state and not licensed in New Mexico, but he recommends that Josiah be given time to rest and find a local attorney before answering questions. But if a good night's sleep is the key, Josiah's accommodations are perhaps less than ideal.
Good morning. I'll take you out of handcuffs. Or I'm gonna take you out of this one. Go to city glass on if you want.
After talking with the DA, you're probably going to be out in like a day or two.
A day or two?
Yeah. Meaning day could be tomorrow morning. Depends on when the judge sees you. It could be either this morning, which is Friday morning, or Saturday morning. You don't have a huge criminal record. You don't have any of that. All that stuff is not there. So they're most likely going to release you. That's just based off of what the DA believes. Now the judge can have a whole different aspect about Okay?
Okay.
But you're not held on what's called an open count of murder, or is there general charge, meaning that there's no first degree charges. We don't have a first degree murder. It's going to be second or something below it. And then get a hold of an attorney here in town and then work from there, okay?
For now, however, Josiah is taken to the Metropolitan Detention Center. En route, he asks for a small favor.
So I think it's it looks like a vape or something?
Yeah.
That can't go with you.
Can I hit it before you toss it away?
I think I can let you do that.
I needed that all day.
At the jail, the officer not only takes Josiah's vape, but his security patches as well.
I don't know how much people have heard and, who's in there and stuff, so we don't want people giving you issues, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Inside the booking area, issues do indeed materialize, but the anger isn't directed at Josiah.
Down, bro. Sit down, you dick. Slob. Whatever you down. Yeah, I hate your pig out. Go get probably in the door. Like you guys like to you on Central. No. Where's your donut?
Sounds kind of good, actually.
When peace is restored, the officers take a look at some of the first shocking images from tonight's incident at Spirit Halloween.
How's this work? It's so bad.
Oh,
that's my guy, 27-1.
These images come from surveillance cameras at the store, one of which provides a new vantage point on the tragic altercation, right from the moment a store employee intervenes to keep Chase Beltramo from stealing, and only seconds before Josiah rushes in.
Yo, why she just walk? Why she just walk like nothing's happening? Look, she grabbed that, then walked faithfully inside.
Roughly a minute into the chaos, both men roll out of view. Only seconds later, 3 gunshots bring the confrontation to an end. As dramatic as the footage is, the case soon hits a snag, the first hint of which detectives got when they called Josiah's mother earlier tonight.
You called me on my work phone, and I don't feel comfortable speaking to you on my work phone. How did you get my work number?
We have one of the district attorneys with us, and she was able to work through, they have your guys' information. We do not.
As the detective explains the next day, her employment puts a wrinkle in the prosecution.
Mijo's mother works for the district attorney's office.
Oh, geez.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
I didn't actually know that even.
Yeah. So to ensure that there is no complications further in the case, all of this is going to be handed over to an actual attorney in the city that does not work with the district attorney's office.
Does he have any charges against him yet, or?
Yes, we did charge him with second-degree murder last night.
So when we were watching the footage, it looks to be self-defense because it looks like the guy had a hacksaw or something that he was trying to hit him with.
The victim, Chase Beltramo, did have previous run-ins with the law, including a 2013 conviction for misdemeanor shoplifting and a 2014 felony conviction for residential burglary. Josiah's fate, however, will not be based on the victim's past, but by what is seen in the footage, including his own Bodycam recording.
You f***ing move, I shoot you!
When investigators review all the footage and speak to the witnesses on scene, they conclude that Chase Beltramo was not armed at any point in the altercation.
So he doesn't have an expectation of privacy on a camera that is provided to him. They do this for their legal means to be able to say, hey, you did this within our policies. No, you did this with outside our policies. It's the same thing we do with ours. Like if we're recording for the purpose of legal bounds, but it also keeps us within.
It protects everybody.
Yeah, it protects everybody. It tells you that the officer was
doing something wrong, or
I mean, to be frank, being an absolute.
The arrest affidavit against 25-year-old Josiah Armijo argues that while he may have had probable cause to stop Chase from shoplifting, Chase seemed to be attempting to flee the scene until Josiah put him in a life-threatening position by pointing a loaded weapon at him.
Don't move! Don't move!
The affidavit also criticizes Josiah's use of pepper spray only inches away from Chase's face. The document concludes, because Josiah didn't have the necessary need for the use of deadly force, he was charged with second-degree murder for the shooting.
Whoa, that is crazy.